Have you ever made a trade and within minutes felt like you've already messed up? If you have, you're not alone. Many traders rush in, hoping for a quick win, only to find themselves facing the harsh reality of losses and frustration. But what if I told you that the key to consistent success in Forex isn't about making more trades or taking bigger risks? It's actually about waiting and having the patience to let your strategy unfold. In this video, I'm going to explain why patience is the secret weapon that separates successful traders from those who constantly struggle. You'll learn why impatience costs more than just money, and how mastering patience can transform your trading career. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why slowing down might actually speed up your success. The dangers of impatience in Forex. Let's face it, we've all been there. You spot what seems like the perfect trade, and you feel that rush of excitement. You pull the trigger, only to watch the market move in the opposite direction almost immediately. Why did that happen? Simple. Impatience. When you trade on impulse, you are not following your strategy. Instead, you're letting your emotions drive your decisions. And in Forex, emotions will get you into trouble every single time. The problem with impatience is that it leads to quick trades that aren't carefully thought out or planned. And these quick trades often result in losses, not only financially, but emotionally as well. Here's a truth that many traders don't want to hear. Forex is a business, not a gamble. First things first, Forex trading is not a casino. It's not about throwing your money at any opportunity that comes your way and hoping for the best. Trading is a business. And like any business, it requires careful thought, planning, and patience. When you treat Forex as a business, you take the time to assess the market, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. You don't act out of emotion, and you don't let greed or fear control you. Just like a successful business owner wouldn't make impulsive decisions, a successful trader shouldn't either. Patience is the cornerstone of any business, and it's no different in trading. The hidden costs of impatience. Impatience doesn't just hurt your pocketbook, it takes a toll on your emotions and your mindset. Have you ever entered a trade only to watch it go wrong and feel that rush of anxiety or frustration? That emotional roller coaster is a result of impatience. When you trade impulsively, you're reacting to what's happening in the moment rather than taking a step back and thinking through your decision. This can lead to irrational choices, like increasing your risk to try to recover losses, or entering trades when the market doesn't show a clear signal. These emotional swings can be incredibly damaging to your psychological well-being, and they often lead to more losses. You might find yourself making the same mistake over and over, and before you know it, you've dug yourself into a deeper hole. This is why impatience costs you far more than just money. It costs you your confidence and your mental stability. But here's the good news. Patience can be learned. It's a skill, and just like any other skill, it gets better the more you practice it. When you learn to pause, assess the situation, and follow your strategy, you start to see trading in a different light. You begin to feel more in control, more confident, and, most importantly, more successful. How patience makes you a better trader. So, what does patience look like in practice? It means waiting for the perfect trade setup, waiting for the right conditions to align before you enter a position. When you rush into the market or trade out of fear of missing out, FOMO, you're more likely to make mistakes. Patience helps you stick to your strategy, not just when things are going well, but especially when things aren't. Think of patience as your shield against making impulsive decisions. When you wait for a confirmed setup, you're taking a calculated risk. You're not relying on luck or emotions, but on logic and strategy. This approach gives you a much higher chance of success in the long run. Here's an example. Imagine you've been trading a currency pair, and the market shows a potential setup. It's not perfect, but you think it might work. The temptation to jump in is strong, but remember, patience will help you here. Instead of entering the trade prematurely, you wait for confirmation that the market is moving in the direction you want. By waiting for that confirmation, you're increasing the probability of success. And when the trade finally does go your way, you can feel confident knowing that you followed your plan, not your impulses. Impatience versus strategy. Why you need a plan. Having a strategy is key to developing patience. Without a strategy, you're just reacting to the market. You're not trading with a purpose, and that's where impatience takes hold. When you don't have a clear plan, your emotions dictate your actions. A solid trading strategy gives you the confidence to be patient. It tells you exactly when to enter and exit trades, how much to risk, and what conditions to look for. With a strategy in place, you can wait for the market to come to you, knowing that the right trades will come at the right time. Patience isn't about waiting forever. It's about waiting for the right moment. And a well-defined strategy helps you recognize that moment when it arrives. How to develop patience in your trading. So, how do you actually develop patience as a trader? First, you need to set realistic goals. Patience is easier when you have a long-term vision. Instead of focusing on short-term profits, think about building consistent returns over time. This mindset shift will naturally lead to more patience. Next, focus on your trading process, not just the outcome. When you place your focus on following your strategy, rather than trying to make quick profits, you'll find that patience becomes easier to maintain. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And remember, stay patient, stay focused, and happy trading.